Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create and delete custom stickers on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So the new One UI lets you extract objects from a photo and turn them into a personalized sticker, so you can delete outdated or unused stickers easily. So let me show you how to do this. So here as an example, we'll use this photo from our gallery, and let's just say we want to create a sticker out of this. So to create a sticker out of this, you want to go ahead and long press on the object. So your Samsung will automatically detach the object from the photo. Next, you can go ahead and tap on Save as Sticker. So once you do this, this will now create a sticker for you. So you can leave it as original, you can do a motion sticker, you can do an outline sticker, cutout, vintage, a cartoon style. So let's just go ahead and choose original, tap done, and now this sticker has been created. Now to delete this custom sticker, you can go ahead and long press on it, and you can basically edit it or delete it. So you can choose whatever you like. So this basically adds a personal touch to your message with custom sticker made from your favorite photos. It's quick, expressive, and it's fun. So there you go guys, that is how to create and delete custom stickers on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.